Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to number 4 in our card candy series. So my team had a card candy challenge for our last swap and we all made card candy. So this one is from Laura Diamond and she used the Everyday Details bundle in the Spring Mini catalog to make these gorgeous elements right here. It's kind of hard to see. She did such a great coloring job. We've got Wink of Stella on all of them, some embellishments, and then 3 lovely sentiments. This set's really pretty. I just love the fonts on here. But she also used some fonts from a couple other, from another set. I'm not sure which set that is. Not sure. I'll try to find it and post it on my blog. Okay, so the goal today, we're going to make 3 cards, 3 very simple cards using this bundle, these card candies. So the first one, I have a piece of pecan pie, and this should be a half sheet. Let's measure that and make sure. Yep, half sheet, 8.5 by 5.5. And I'm going to put just a layer of Pool Party, and I've used the Distressed Brick embossing folder, which I thought would look really nice with these elements here. And we are just going to wait. That's not the one I want to do. I wanted to use. Hold on. I embossed 3 of these. I did 2 in Pool Party, but I did one of them going landscape, which is what I want for this one because it's kind of a, the words are already attached kind of going in a landscape direction. So I wanted to do that. Not very straight. Seem to be struggling with getting things straight today. Okay, there we go. All right, we're going to, oh, that wasn't even attached. This would make such a cute baby card, don't you think? Then we have Overjoyed for you in this new journey. I'm going to attach right here. So that's going to pop up and attach to that. Isn't that cute? What a quick and easy card. I love that. Okay, that's one. We're going for quick and easy today. That is the goal. So the red that she used, I might be Poppy Parade. That's the card color I picked. So it's close enough, I think. And let's bring this one back that we tore off the other. Okay. And I think we'll do this one. We've got, I'm going to put this right here. She's already got a cute little gem there, and let's do, you know what, I think I'm going to add just add a little more dimensional in the back just to hold it, keep it stable. Okay, and let's do, I think we're going to do Happy Birthday on this one. I think we'll put it maybe right here, kind of half and half. So I've already got dimensional in the middle. Let's put more dimensional over here. I'm using up my scraps of my black dimensionals there. And then we've got it attached right there. Cute! That is not straight, but you know what? That's close enough. Okay, we've got 2 more elements, and I'm going to do another. I'm going to use Pool Party for the base of this one. And I've got, we've got some Poppy Parade with the same Distressed Tile embossing folder. So we're just kind of, it's really great that these all coordinate because we can just kind of mix and match using all the coordinating colors. And this makes such a quick and easy card. Okay, I'm going to lay these on carefully. I think I'm going to do this Now I've got a little scrap of blue that I think I want. Let's see, do I want to use that there? That might be kind of fun. Or maybe I will just do this. Let's grab our scissors, wherever they may be. Where are you, scissors? I'm gonna cut that in half. I take this, and we're gonna flag the end together, and then flip them. And I'm gonna stick them together like this. Right here. Right there. Okay. I just kind of want that right in the middle. We're going to add a couple more dimensionals to this one. Get that peeled off there. Okay, center that one there. I'm going to do another dimensional over on this side so we've got it balanced. And that is still sticky. We're going to put this one right here. Cute! I love it. That was her backing. I could probably use that for almost for a card too. I'm going to save that one. Okay, these are our 3 adorable cards using Card Candy from Laura Diamond, using the Everyday Details stamp set. I'm going to put this on my blog with the measurements and supplies. And if you would like to place an order, I would love to have your order. There's an ordering link with a host code listed on my YouTube channel in the description of the video, and I will send you out a little thank you card and a gift for any orders of $50 or more. So thanks so much for stopping by today, and we'll have more card candy next time. All right, bye everyone.